Hello children, this video is for class 11 English literature of the short story Salvatore. Salvatore is a person which the narrator is trying to tell about. In this story, the narrator has started with the line, "I wonder if I can do." Now, what is the meaning of this line? I hope you people will answer after the video. Listen to the story what it is and then try to answer the meaning of the line, "I wonder if I can do it." So let me start. Salvatore, the protagonist of the story, is just a 15 years old boy. He is a fisherman's son. At a very young age, he fell in love with a girl who used to live in Grand Marina. The girl was very beautiful. Since Salvatore was a fisherman's son, so he knew swimming very well. And even this boy was very hardworking. He used to always help his father in fishing. Then he used to act like a nursemaid to his younger brothers. This boy, Salvatore, he used to help his father in the vineyard also. So altogether he was a very hardworking boy. This boy was loving the girl, but they cannot marry. Why? Because as believe the people there in this particular island, they believe that if the boy, when he grow up, he has to complete his service in military. Then only he is fit to be he is fit to get married. So the same thing, even the girl who loved Salvatore, her family also believed that as soon as Salvatore he will finish his service in military, then they both will get married. But Salvatore, he did not want to leave the island because he cannot bear the pain or that he has to stay apart from the girl. But it was the requirement, so he has to go. So with full heart, he was crying and he left the island and went. He became the sailor in the navy of King Victor Emmanuel. So he became the sailor over there. So in his service, he has to go to many other countries, through the sea and all. So he was going. He was dreadfully homesick. Always he used to think about the girl. In a very ill-spelt letter, he was not so much educated. So he just wrote a letter with wrong spellings and a very bad handwriting, as if a child of 2 to 3, the one who study in class 1 or 2, they used to write. Like that, he just wrote a letter to the girl, explaining how he was missing the girl and how he longs back to see her. He was also feeling homesick because when he was comparing the life which he was now leading, staying in a battleship, and the life where he was staying in the island was totally different. The beauty of the island, it was so good. He was missing all those things. The sunrise, the sunset, the water, the spring, the trees, the beaches, the pebbles, everything he was missing when he was on the battleground. But the way he was missing the girl whom he loved was above all. So he just wrote a letter and sent. After some days, some months, he was in China. There he got to know that he developed some mysterious disease, and the doctor said that he is unfit for further service. Means he will not be able to work anymore in the militaries. Now what? He must be very sad, right? But no, he was not at all sad. Instead, he was very happy. Why? He was happy to think that now I will go back to my home and I don't have to work anymore. He did not thought that if I won't work, I will not be a military man. That never mattered. He just thought that I will go back home and I will meet the girl and also my parents. So he went. The doctor said that here afterwards he will never be quite well as before, but he paid no heed to that. He just thought that I will go back home. He came back. When he was getting down from the ship, he searched all over. His eyes were searching all over. He saw his parents, he saw his brothers, all were standing to welcome him back. But his eyes were searching someone else. Guess whom? Yes, the girl. Salvatore was searching the girl, but she was not there on the island. She was not there to welcome him back. He was sad and asked his mother that why did she not come. The mother, she tried to answer but could not give a satisfactory reply. So Salvatore, in the evening, he went to the girl's house. He saw the girl sitting at the doorstep with the mother. And when he asked the reason that why you did not come to welcome, then he added that I wrote a letter also. I wrote a letter to you. Did you get the letter? She said that no, I didn't get. Or you can say she ignored. The reason he asked, then the girl said that she just bluntly she replied and said that she cannot marry a man who would never be strong enough to work like a man. As I told you that if a person have to marry, he has to be a military man, which Salvatore paid no heed when the doctor said that you will not be able to work anymore. Because Salvatore, as his nature, he was such a kind person that he just thought about the family and the girl. He did not notice that if I won't work anymore in the military, maybe the girl will not marry. But now the girl said him that I will not marry you because you are not a military man, and further because of your disease you will not be well and you will not be able to work like a man. So she denied from the marriage. Now Salvatore, he quietly went back to his house. After going back, he just cried a lot on the mother's lap, but never ever he complained about the girl. This is one more quality of Salvatore, that the girl broke his heart, but still he never spoke a word about her. Okay, so this was one more quality. After that, after few months, Salvatore, he got married to another girl. Now this, she was not a girl, she was a widow. Okay, she was a widow. Her name was Assunta. Assunta's husband, he died when he was working in military, but he left some money, a good money, to Assunta. Now Assunta has seen Salvatore. Now Salvatore, he became big. He was a big husky fellow, very smart looking. So when Assunta saw the Salvatore, she wanted to marry him. Now the mother, means Salvatore's mother, somehow she managed, and Salvatore and Assunta, they both got married. Assunta brought a vineyard and a small fishing boat also for Salvatore, and hence they started living happily afterwards. They had 2 children also. Now the narrator here again, he is trying to tell about the quality of Salvatore. He said that when you look at Salvatore, you will see that how strong he is, the build up what he has. You can never ever think that he has some soft corner also. But whenever the writer used to see Salvatore giving a bath to his own children, okay, he saw that the way how Salvatore used to hold the younger one was so soft, as if, when you just try to hold a feather in your hand, how softly you will hold it. The same way this was Salvatore when he used to cuddle or play with his children. So this was his character, which the narrator is trying to bring up through the story Salvatore. I told you, I wonder if I can do. Now can you guess what is the meaning of this line? I wonder if I can do. It is simple that with this line or with the story Salvatore, the writer is trying to get the attention of the readers that there is a quality, goodness, a human being can possess. And this person, Salvatore, who is, according to the narrator, he is possessing the rarest, the most precious and the loveliest quality which anyone can have, the quality of goodness. So the writer is just trying to say that I wonder if I can do that from the first page to the last page of this particular story. Will the readers give attention to the quality? Yes, of course. The readers, as we are the readers, when we heard, we really came to know that Salvatore had the good quality. In each and every stages of his life, he proved that he is a good person. As I told you, see, in the beginning, he worked for his father. He was such a hard-working person. He acted like a nursemaid. That was also a good quality. He gave extra time in the vineyard. He was a hard-working fellow. He loved so much. He was a good lover. When he joined the military, he was a hard-working fellow. After, when he came back, he was searching for the girl. When the girl denied to marry, he never spoke a bad word. This is again a good character about him. Assunta was a widow, but still he married Assunta. This was one more kind act by Salvatore. In the last, the way how Salvatore used to be with his family, the way how he used to play or spend time with his children, again showed his good character. So like this, the writer has given the goodness, the quality of goodness of Salvatore through this story. Now read the story, just go through line by line, and you have your workbooks also. Try to solve the exercises in that. Thank you.